If you have outgrown your QuickBooks accounting software and looking forward migrate to Dynamics 365 Business Central, you have come to the right place. So before we get into this, let's talk about what's going on here. QuickBooks is a popular software choice among small businesses. However, it is an entry-level accounting software. As your business grows, you may find that QuickBooks is no longer meeting your business needs. And this is where Dynamics 365 Business Central comes into play. Business Central is a comprehensive, all-in-one business management solution designed to meet the needs of your growing businesses. It is a robust system that scales with your business and provides a wide range of features to streamline your operation. Today in this video, I will show you how you can migrate your QuickBooks Online data to Business Central with assisted setup. As you can see, I have two tabs open in my screen. One QuickBooks and the second one you can see Business Central. And let's go back to Microsoft guideline, what exactly you can import from QuickBooks to Business Central. Customers, vendors, items, chart of accounts, beginning balances, on-hand quantities, open documents, and customers and vendors. So let's go back to QuickBooks, and we would like to see here few setups and settings we would like to make sure that is there in QuickBooks before we start the migration. So come here in accounts and setting, advanced, and you will see here chart of accounts, and there is an option here, enable accounts number. So that should be turned on. In our case, it's already there, but if it is not there, then you can do it from here. Another things we can check from here, chart of accounts. So these are the number which should be there in your QuickBooks, so that you can define in your QuickBooks, or if you're already using a QuickBooks, it should be there. So this is the one chart of account information that we would like to import in our Business Central. Another thing that we would like to import, that is products and my inventory. So these are my inventory that we are going to import, and there is a vendors and customers. In Business Central, as you can see, this is my blank company and there is no data at all. Microsoft offers assisted setup guide. From there, you can import data from QuickBooks. So here I will search assisted setup. In assisted setup, you can see there are many information there. You can set up your company, sales tax, and there is other information there. So in this demo, what we need, migrate business data. So let's go there and see what are the options there. So here, this is the setup guide, and choose your data source. So there are three type of data source that you can choose: Excel, QuickBooks Online, and QuickBooks. So this is for QuickBooks desktop application. But in our case, like we have QuickBooks Online, so we will select this one and hit next. Business Central is trying to validate the connection between QuickBooks and Business Central. So now you can see we are connected to your QuickBooks company and ready to import data. Next. So let's see what are we got going on here. So here there are information that we would like to map with our QuickBooks accounts. So I would select here. Okay, so here we have completed first part of the setup, and now we will go to the next stage. So now here I would need to fill information such as cost of goods sold, inventory account, receivables, and payables. All right, so we have fill up all this information which Business Central required, and we will go to the next step. So now I need to select here unit of measurement. So now you can see data is ready for migration. So what we are bringing here, GL accounts, customers, vendor, and items. So there is a message here. You have completed the data migration assisted setup. So we can see here status message completed, and percentage was also 100%. That means we have successfully completed data migration from QuickBooks. This was so easy, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now let's go back and check like how many customers we have imported, and vendors, items, and chart of accounts. So let's click on customers, and we can see if there was any customer there. So I can see this is the customer I got from QuickBooks. Let's go back and see the vendor. So this was my vendor information, which is coming from QuickBooks. And let's click on items. So these are the items which is coming from my QuickBooks. And this is the chart of accounts. So all my chart of accounts which was there in QuickBooks, now I can see in Business Central. Believe or not, there are so many businesses migrating from QuickBooks to ERP system like Dynamics 365 Business Central, and Navision Tech has a fixed price, fixed scope implementation packages specifically designed for this transition. So if you are interested in upgrading your system, feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.